Savannah is famous for its neighborhoods and your ability to wander from one to the next.
Well, this neighborhood is called Starland District, and it has a beautiful blend of SCAD students, the locals, the tourists. You can see even the architecture of the houses, you know, it's Victorian. It's absolutely just a great blend of everything wonderful about Savannah. I'm Kay Heritage. I'm from the other South Korea. And we created Big Bon to have a community space that serves wood-fired bagels and wood-fired pizza.
So I'm sure you've gotten this before because you've got a good Jewish community here in Savannah.
Yeah.
What's a nice girl from South Korea? What does she know about making a good ethnic Jewish bagel?
Right?
Did you get any kind of blowback from
Oh,
that?
yeah, all the time. Like, what? You know, South Korean making bagels? They just couldn't, you know, comprehend, but I had no idea how hard making bagels was.
So why did you go with the bagel then?
Because we didn't have it in Savannah. We didn't have wood-fired bagels. So these bagels are Montreal-inspired. So Montreal bagels, you know, they're hand-rolled, wood-fired.
It's not like the New York bagel, which is
Correct.
a little more dough,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
these are thinner.
And when I saw the video for the first time, I'm like, oh my gosh, we've got to bring that to Savannah.
Yeah. Whenever I talk to people who are in the food business, whether they're restaurant owners or chefs, they always talk about the fact that their ingredients are the key to their success.
Yeah.
But you really feel like your success begins with your employees.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
You actually open your books to them so they
We
can see
do.
what it means
Yeah.
to own a business, run it, see the profits coming and going, so they have a greater knowledge.
They're just figuring things out. And I was figuring things out too. And I thought, if I can just share a little bit what I'm learning as I go, whether it's a business or life skills, you know, how to communicate with each other a little bit better, how to have a little bit more respect for each other. If we can just instill that a little bit, you know, to these young people, that everything is about relationship, I think they'll do better, you know, make the world a little brighter place.
Are you hungry after that one? I bet. Well, for more of what I did, click here for the full episode and here to subscribe. I always get asked if I eat everything that's in front of me. Heck yeah! Sometimes I do give some to my crew. I always like to share, unless they're, I don't know, sometimes they can be a little ornery and then they get no food.